What up? This your boy Emmanuel and follow me on Twitter _coach and my little brother at feeling myself. Alright now. Today, this video.
Seems like I need to buff a little bit. Well, this is ratchet. I'm about to kill this. Be being the girl and all, it don't matter. I'm about to kill it anyway. I hope this thing don't take forever to buff though. But yeah, I'm gonna kill this. But it's never they killed it. No offense to them, because hey, one of them's cute. Well, they're both cute, but one of them's really weird. So I'm about to freak this jank. Yep.
So I'm gonna tell y'all about my ratchet girl. So we just gonna play the music.
Oh my god. Who the come out the house like that? Doing them out. She is doing OMG, what do she have on? Her lace front is all wrong. So, I'm gonna take this out. Got it. Gonna put this girl on Twitter. Yeah, you ain't know I was gonna hit it like that. You ain't know I was gonna hit it like that. That's happening. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on. Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she's too fake. Well, let me tell you what I got, my Mr. A baby boy and the county little sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club in the middle of the club. No shoes, where's up? I had to get you today. I bought just for boots, girl. You know how to get the girl, my baby. That just made baby here to his shoes today. New baby, need new shoes today. Transport check, get two today. Bought them checks yesterday. Girl, did you buy good today? Gon' be feeded. Move, tramp. It's the 15. I got my food stamps. I got a brand new business. Brand new tap. Paid $95 for the week plus tax. About anything go by spending thought. Nowhere had to think long. Thinking that you better than I or what than you think wrong. Whatever. Shit, like my number. Boy, bye. What's wrong with him? Shh. Be quiet. Hey, girl. Turn around and let me see you did your sewing. Oh, okay then. Okay. OMG, what do she have on? Her lace front is all wrong. She ratchet. Let me take this half a picture. She ratchet. Got it. Finna put this girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. She ratchet. Boy, bye. Now with some shoes on. Cause you ratchet. Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake. My name is Umu Wella, but my girlfriends call me Kari. Yes, I am the best, but you can't have this boo-boo sorry, cause today is my future baby daddy. Maury got my jersey just him. Joy Hill, that's my person. Pow, team dark skin. We don't like them red bones, just check in my pictures. New IV got glitter. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. I'm with Team Flip Phone, Team Chris Brown. If she don't shut it up, then it's Team Shut It Down. I'm with Team Bad Chick. Team Take Your Man. If he got a lot of money, then it's Team He Paying. What you saying? He might as well spend it on me. I mean, cause you ain't doing that. And everything. Bye.